So guys, first you have to set the scene. So this is our scene, okay, on a SketchUp. Then you have to click on the file, and here you have to click on a export 2D graphic option. Okay, then you have to save this and export it. Okay, after that guys, you have to open promei.pro. Okay, this site you have to open to render your SketchUp image. Okay, so then here you have to select a sketch rendering option, and then here you have to select image option, and then here you have to upload an image by selecting and open it. Okay, after upload you have to just type the prompt over here. You can see that guys, here I have rendered many others. So for this image I have to type a more prompt. So okay, here you have to select the model number, style. Here I'm selecting 3D, or you can use a photographic like architectural rendering. Okay, I hope this will work fine to produce a nice rendering. Okay, now here I have to select the image scene. So here you have to select interior. Okay, then here you have to select the type. Interior scene would be like that: kitchen, uh dining, home office, bathroom. I don't know which one would look good here, but I will select this kitchen island option. And interior style I have to select. So here you need to select. So I'm just selecting this option, and here you have to select the environment. Here I'm selecting night, dusk. Okay, then you have to select the mode. So this will retain your model outline. So here I'm selecting this one. Okay, now you have to click on a generation option. So guys, it will produce a 3 image. This one is fine. This one is fine. Okay, so you have to download it from here, or there another generate similar option like that. You can generate a similar image. Like you have to just click one time. So I need to generate a similar image of this one. Okay, so this is producing one more image here. If you think this is good, then you can download it. Here you can see that this one is another rendered. So guys, here if you think this image is good, then you have to just click over here, and then you have to download it. Okay, so here I am downloading this one. So guys, you can visit this site. There's a link in the description to render your SketchUp 3D model in Prome AI. So if you really like video, please share, subscribe, and like. Thanks for watching. Have fun guys. Thank you.